Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to get this beautiful or amazing clover themed clock widget on your home screen. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just move on to the video.
So how to get this super Google clock widget on your home screen. So I'm just going to show a simple step to get this clock widget on any Android device. Just follow the step. So first of all, go to the Play Store and just update your Google clock from the Play Store. So you just need to search as clock. And now you have this your Google clock application, just update it. Then go to your home screen. So now you just need to long press on your home screen. Then click on the widget option, just scroll down. We just need to find an option called clock. And then click on the first analog clock and just add the widget on your home screen. Now it shows a total of 4 themes. You just need to scroll to the bottom section and here the as I just talking about. Just tap on it and you can just get this exact theme setup, clock widget theme setup. You can just long press it and you can easily resize the widget on your home screen. This is how you just get this widget on your home screen. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet in the next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.